Do you feel like investing is too confusing, too time-consuming, or too risky? It doesn't have to be. Meet Jimmy, an average Joe who is new to investing. Jimmy knows everyday people are investing on their own, and although he's interested, he doesn't know where to start. Sound familiar? He's asking himself, how do I invest my first dollar? How do I know the difference between a good stock or a bad stock? How do I know when to buy or sell? And how do I reduce the risk of losing money? As the anxiety, confusion, and fear continue to grow, he starts to think maybe investing isn't for him, until his friend Molly introduces him to Tykr. She mentions that Tykr is a tool that does all the time-consuming research for you and provides a clear path forward so you can invest worry-free. In fact, she explains that Tykr is different than other tools because it breaks down investing in simple terms, which is perfect for beginners. It clearly teaches you when to buy and sell, helps you reduce risk, has a friendly community, and is your overall personal guide, helping you with every step along the way. After finding Tykr, Jimmy can finally start investing worry-free.